We love national parks. Every national park we go to, we collect their travel poster. Hot Springs National Park is actually the only national park in Arkansas. And so we took the kids for a day to see what there was to offer. Come and join us. Welcome to Hutch House.
Hutch House!
Right along Bathhouse Row, you'll see this amazing mural. And right next to the mural is free parking. It's a huge structure. Take advantage of it. It's right across the street from Bathhouse Bath House. The visitor center is located inside one of the old bathhouses, Fordyce Bath House. But as you're walking there, enjoy the amazing views along Bathhouse Row. Fordyce Bath House actually was an operating spa from 1915 to 1962. And then they closed their business for over 20 years. And in 1989, the National Park Services took it over as a visitor center. So now you get to walk through all of the bathhouse and see how it was run back when it closed in 1962.
Is it really hot?
Yeah.
Is it like steaming?
Are you going inside the visitor center?
All over the city of Hot Springs, you'll find fountains and even springs coming out of the walls, in ponds, and all of them are extremely hot. The water that comes out of the springs is actually 147 degrees.
Don't do it.
This is the lobby of the Fordyce Bath House, now the visitor center. And this starts off your tour of the bathhouse.
There's an illegal fountain up here.
Yeah.
This was the ladies' cooling room. So this is where you come at the end of all of your treatments and cool off.
Now this is a shower. How many knobs? And it squirts you from all over.
And it's super hard.
Turn on the knobs. Make sure it doesn't blow up because of pressure. Fine.
Now down the street in Bathhouse Bath House, you can actually bathe and steam in their original containers, bathtubs, showers, etc. It looks very similar to what you see in Fordyce Bath House. So if you want that experience, go do it at Bathhouse Bath House, and you have to be 14 and older to do that.
That would be nice. You're like, hi everyone. Do you want to get inside one? Look.
This is the men's changing and shower room. The artwork in here is pretty phenomenal.
like so steampunk. And then you're gonna be in a needle bath. Ready? I'm turning it on. Oh, he's like running out. We're in an old elevator.
In the visitor center, they still have their 1960s, maybe even earlier, working elevator. The kids absolutely love getting on it.
Let's see what's up there. Do they have a store?
Yes, yeah, 2 buildings over.
Oh, okay. Whoa, yes, we are going up. Chiropractic. Imagine having that many keys. Oh.
Upstairs in Fordyce Bath House is where you would get more of these specialized treatments. And these are the changing rooms and lockers.
You know all the weird stuff they use in massages. That does not sound cool. Look, that's one of those old massagers. That's how big they were back then. My weirdness. And all these other weird. It really does look like a torture chamber. Right here.
Over here.
This really does look like a torture chamber.
I know. I do not think I would want to sit or be in any part of these contraptions.
Like the belt to strap you down.
This is the torture chamber.
Like Dr. Gustav's Dander from Stockholm, Sweden.
As therapy machines, they're remarkable therapy machines.
They have the electric.
This is the ladies' dressing room.
You're getting me?
Yep. Come this way. For people that couldn't like.
McCoy thinks it's for handicapped people.
It might be because.
And then you fill them into the tub.
Yeah, the track goes along the whole way.
At Fordyce Bath House, they had a fully functional gym with the state-of-the-art equipment. And a lot of baseball players, professional baseball players, would come here to use the spa treatments and to stay in shape.
This is a ladies' stateroom.
Full elevator.
Sorry.
Right behind the visitor center, there are stairs that lead up to these gorgeous springs. Now remember, the water is so hot along here.
Is it super hot coming out of there?
Yep, around 143 degrees.
Put your hand in it.
If you take the stairs further up, you will go to this beautiful walkway that is above Bathhouse Row.
And promenade back in the day. And all those green boxes that you see up on the hill and all over, those are actually springs that they tap into. Buildings. All things.
A quick and beautiful way back down to Bathhouse Row is the Tufa Terrace Trail. The kids loved this. It feels like you're walking straight down a hill right through the forest.
Is that hot, Annie?
Someone threw a poker chip in there.
We should take it out.
This is the Arlington Resort Hotel and Spa. It has been around since 1924.
What a weird town.
After a hot day and walking along the hot springs, we stopped at Superior Bath Brewery. They have the best root beer.
Here we are, headed up to the tower. A steep road with a bunch of switchbacks. The original road at Hot Springs National Park.
Built in the 1800s.
1800s to go up to the tower and see the area.
Probably hike up here faster. That's where we were. Want to get out and look? People right here.
I feel like jumping now.
Distinctive dome offers modern bathing and spa services. It reopened several years ago and has been closed for more than 20
Whoa, look at
years.
those roller coasters.
Bathhouse Row represents a long
Going up. Is everyone looking out?
This is only the second floor.
They have an observation tower inside, and then you can also go outside to see views as well. 360-degree views of the area. It is gorgeous, and I bet even more gorgeous in the fall when the leaves are changing color.
Because we're so high, huh? Whoa. There's Bathhouse Row.
You can do a lot with a family in one day at Hot Springs National Park. We started the day off camping, we saw the Bathhouse Row, went along the promenade, and ended the day at the tower. Definitely worth the visit. We got a new poster to hang up. It will be on our wall soon. Thanks so much for watching Hutch House. We love having you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give our video a big thumbs up. We love having you here. In the comments below, tell us what your favorite national park is. We need to see some on the East Coast especially. Thanks for watching Hutch House.